Writing.
Writing and singing.
Singing, dancing,
I love you.
Like that. But hey guys, welcome to Dagem Diaries podcast. Today I'm gonna be your host, Rai, and I'm with
Marjorie. Jez.
I am D.
Injil. Angelica!
So our topic for today is what are the hobbies of Dagem Diary members? So we'll start off with Mark.
Not you? Me, you good? Well, for me, my hobby is, although it's not perceptible or obvious, my hobby is baking and cooking. Yes, I bake when I get home like that, or cook, or I usually cook actually in our room. Okay na to. So I really love baking and cooking since I love food. Then I love food, so like okay, I can't just buy my own. I should cook too, like that. So I learn like through the years. So since 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, for 5 years now. Yeah, more on cooking and baking ba? So that's all.
You have no choice.
Okay. For me, my hobbies is reading books, love stories for sure, and no, maybe. And also writing, romance, yeah. Wow. But not but just composing it. Yes, I don't like to publish, but I want to write. Like, that's it.
That's very quick, huh?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Yeah, that's what she said.
What she said? Me again? Yes.
Hello. Okay, so I love cooking. I love dancing. I love meditating. Meditating ba? Like ganito ba? And I have a lot of hobbies actually. I love dancing, I love singing, I love meditating, I love cooking, I love eating. Yes, I love everything ba? I love I love you. Anong magagawa? Malapit ka kung kasama ka. Well, anyways, yes, I sing. You want sample? You want? Through the fire, through the limit, through the wall. Yeah. You know that? Yeah, oh my gosh, you felt it? You felt it? Yeah. Oh my gosh, they felt it. You guys felt it? But yeah, anyways, that's it. Thank you. I can stop laughing.
So, my hobby, I have two hobbies, guys.
Only?
Yes!
Why?
I have so many hobbies, but there are two main hobbies.
Your favorite?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. First is dancing.
What?
Weh!
Saban!
And second is writing stories. Yeah. Writing while
Giling-giling, giling-giling, giling no na matunaw ang taba. Giling-giling,
yeah, I love dancing and I love writing stories. I just love sharing my stories to other people. That's why. And by the way, guys, I am an author at Wattpad app. But I haven't published my story yet because it is not yet complete. But
What do you plan to publish?
actually I published it before, but I unpublished it because of the school activities. I can focus on my story that time. So I announced at my Wattpad that I will be gone at the moment. But I think I want to change my story. Yeah, I want.
The same genre?
Yes, but but
The storyline.
no, I change it all. Yeah, I change it all. No, my first story is dark romance, guys. It is not good. And I want to change it.
For me.
No. I love making stories which is mature, but this time I want to create a light story.
Oh yeah.
Yes, like
Like high school.
yeah.
You know that.
Yes, yes.
Kind of.
That's all. So hi guys. Hey guys. So my hobbies is dancing also, and
Sample.
and I really I want to gala. Gala. Yeah. Like my favorite place was going to Yellow Train. You know that?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Shut up!
Did you try it?
Yellow
Go-
Train?
Yeah.
Not yet, but I've been to PGH many times.
Me, I tried it, but I don't want to go back anymore.
Why? Why?
It's so awesome.
Or?
Yeah, it's so
She was
far.
fractured.
Oh,
She got fractured. Yeah.
Yellow trail, red trail, blue trail.
Rainbow trail.
All the color trail.
When I'm stressed like that. Yeah.
Reliever is just getting angry. When I release my anger, my emotion, it's also relieving.
So yeah, yellow trail and eating, like eating sweet foods
Ooh,
when I'm stressed.
chocolate.
Yeah, stress eating like that, but sweet. Yeah. So yeah, that's my hobby. Back to you, Ryan.
Back to the house. Cooking.
And cooking again.
You also love cooking?
Yes.
Cooking.
But
Ganteng.
Writing.
Alright, no.
writing and singing.
Singing, dancing, eating.
Don't be about
Well, for me, I only have two main hobbies. That is photography and playing online games. But no. No. Online games like Call of Duty Mobile, Mobile Legends, like that. Uh, but uh, Puto. But I can't do it anymore because of all of this because of the activities. Yes. Yes, after all the graduation, etc. I will go back to my hobby and make it as an opportunity to get the money. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our website and also our Facebook page, Dagam Diaries. That's all, guys. Bye bye.